Hello and welcome back to my channel where I discuss productivity tools and technologies for teams. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Zulip, an open source team chat application that's designed to help teams increase productivity and improve communication. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 Zulip features that every team should know about. So let's get started. Zulip is a modern open source team chat platform that is designed to make communication and collaboration easier and more efficient for teams of all sizes. It was first launched in 2012 by a group of MIT alumni who are looking for a better way to communicate and collaborate as a team. At its core, Zulip is a messaging platform that allows users to send messages, files, and images to individuals or groups of people in real time. However, unlike other messaging platforms, Zulip organizes messages by stream and topic, making it easier to keep track of conversations and stay focused on specific topics. Zulip offers a number of powerful features to help teams stay organized and collaborate more effectively, including the ability to move messages between streams and topics, extensive configuration options for notifications, and a powerful full-text search to help you find what you need quickly and easily. It also has extensive integration capabilities, allowing it to seamlessly connect with other tools and services. Zulip is free to use, and it is available as a self-hosted solution that can be installed on-premise or the cloud-based service that is hosted by Zulip. It is designed to be easy to use with a clean and intuitive user interface that makes it simple to get started. One of the key features that sets Zulip apart from other messaging platforms is its topic-based messaging system. In traditional messaging platforms, conversations tend to be organized chronologically, with messages appearing in the order they were sent. This can make it difficult to follow the flow of a conversation, especially when multiple topics are being discussed simultaneously. In Zulip, conversations are organized by topic, allowing participants to easily track and contribute to specific discussion. Each topic is displayed within its corresponding stream, and participants can subscribe or unsubscribe to streams based on their interest or involvement in the overall conversation. Within a stream, participants can read messages in the topics that interest them, skipping those that are not relevant or interesting. Additionally, participants can choose to mute specific topics to avoid being notified about them. To start a new topic, simply type the topic name in the message compose box and hit enter. You can then start typing your message and send it to the relevant stream. Other participants in the stream can then respond to your message, creating a threaded conversation that is focused on that specific topic. One of the main benefits of topic-based messaging is that it allows for more efficient and focused communication. Participants can quickly filter out messages that are not relevant to them and focus on the topics that are most important. This can save time and reduce distraction, especially in larger teams and organizations where multiple conversations are happening simultaneously. Threaded conversations are a powerful tool for keeping discussions organized and easy to follow. In traditional messaging platforms, conversations tend to get cluttered and difficult to track, especially when multiple topics are being discussed simultaneously. With threaded conversations, you can keep related messages together in one thread, making it easier to follow the flow of the conversation and respond to specific messages. To start a thread in Zulip, simply click on the reply button on a specific message and start typing your response. Your reply will then appear under the original message, continuing the conversation thread. If the conversation diverges on a different topic, you can easily move some messages into a new or existing topic to keep everything organized. Other participants in the conversation can reply to your thread, creating a collection of individual topic label threads. If you are getting too many notifications for certain streams or topics, you can easily mute them to reduce distractions. With stream and topic muting, you can silence notifications for specific streams or topics that are not relevant to you, but still keep them in your list of streams or topics. This feature is particularly helpful when you're working on a specific task and don't want to be interrupted by notifications that are not related to your work. To mute a stream, simply click on the 3 dots next to the stream name and select Mute Stream. Similarly, to mute a topic, click on the 3 dots next to the topic name and select Mute Topic. If you need to temporarily disable all desktop notifications, you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode in the Zulip desktop app. In addition to muting streams and topics, you can fine-tune your notification settings to get only mention notifications in some streams, but notifications for all messages in others. Simply click on the gear icon next to the stream or topic name, select notification settings, and choose your preferred notification level. This allows you to stay on top of the conversations that are most important to you without getting overwhelmed by notifications. Muting streams and topics helps you to stay focused on your work and reduces distractions, while still allowing you to stay up to date on important conversations. Zulip's search functionality is a powerful tool that can help you find messages, topics, and files quickly and easily, even in large and complex organizations. With Zulip's full text search, you can search for specific keywords, phrases, and even advanced search operators to narrow down your results and find exactly what you are looking for. To use Zulip's full text search, simply click on the search bar at the top of the page and start typing in your query. Zulip will automatically start displaying results based on your search terms, including messages, topics, and files that match your search criteria. To further refine your search results, you can use advanced search operators such as from, to, stream, and topic. These operators allow you to search for messages from specific users, messages that were sent to specific users, messages that were posted in specific streams or topics, and more. In addition to its basic and advanced search functionality, Zulip also offers a number of search filters that allow you to further refine your search results based on things like message types, whenever the topic the message was sent to has been marked as resolved, and more. This can be especially useful if you are looking for specific types of content or if you need to find information in a particular category or topics. Integrations are an important aspect of any modern messaging platform, and Zulip is no exception. With integrations, you can connect Zulip with external tools and services, allowing you to manage your work all in one place. This can save you time by centralizing your work and keeping everything in one place. To use integrations in Zulip, you first need to configure a bot that will be used to communicate with the external tool or service. Zulip has a number of built-in bots that can be configured for different tasks, such as Reminder Bot or the Welcome Bot. It's worth mentioning that the Welcome Bot is only configurable if you are using self-hosted Zulip. To configure a bot, go to the Settings menu in Zulip and select Add a Bot. This will prompt you to enter a name for the bot and select the type of bot you want to create. You can choose from a range of pre-built bot templates or create a custom bot that is tailored to your specific needs. Once you've created your bot, you can start configuring integrations. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select Integrations. Here you will see a list of all available integrations, as well as integrations that you've already set up. To set up a new integration, select the tool or service that you want to integrate with and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bot to the external tool or service. This usually involves entering an API key or other authentication details. Once you've configured your integration, you can start using it to automate tasks or improve communication between Zulip and the external tool or service. For example, you might set up an integration with GitHub to automatically notify a specific Zulip stream whenever a new pull request is opened, or with Trello to automatically create new tasks in Zulip when cards are being moved between lists. Zulip also allows you to create custom integrations using webhooks or other APIs. Check out Zulip's integration documentation to learn how to send data from other products into or out of Zulip. I will include a link in the video description for you to easily access. Overall, integrations are a powerful tool for improving communication and automating workflows in Zulip. And that's it for today's video on 5 Zulip features every team should know about. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or tricks for using Zulip, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips and technology reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.